biggest challenges in the manufacturing industry, I would say probably the one that I see the most is really dealing with customer and vendor competition. I see it quite a bit. We hear that the economy is doing well. We hear that obviously people are making more money, but on the flip side of that, I do hear that there's price competition that is probably more fierce than I've ever seen it. I see that vendors are constantly clawing for additional revenue, and there's constantly a give and take what I call really a conflict, trying to resolve and just maintain margins, maintain profitability. What if clients told me is the biggest benefit of working with SVA? Industry knowledge. It's the one thing I hear with both existing customers and with prospects and referral sources. Dealing with people that are not just CPAs, but actually understand the business that they're servicing and working with. It's easy to deal with debits and credits, but it's not necessarily easy to deal with how somebody does something on a shop floor, or how somebody makes a specific business decision, whether to maybe deal with a new customer, perhaps maybe throw a price increase at a customer, or perhaps maybe deal with some efficiency issues on the shop floor. What makes me passionate about working in this industry? I would say, honestly, it's a fun industry to work in. There's a lot going on. Not all manufacturers and distributors are made the same. Everybody, it sounds like they're the same on paper, but they're not. The ownership groups are different. They could be family and all the family dynamics that go with them. They could be management groups, obviously, that maybe have taken on a client situation and they want help. It could be maybe a little larger organization. Quite frankly, they're all the same, yet they're all different, and every one of these situations is, quite frankly, a lot of fun.